My name is Julie B. Pilgueras ng BS Fisheries 3. Journal about towards improved visualization and optimization of aquaculture production process. Introduction. The aquaculture industry, one of the most growing industries, Norway and the largest worldwide contribution to food production, generates enormous amount of data every day. Data gathered comes from heterogeneous sensors in the fish cage, cameras, boat, vending birds, email notes, and conversation between people working production sites. Some tools exist for gathering, displaying the produced data. In addition, there are several initiatives for standardizing the data. Yet there exist many challenges with today. Solution related to funding visualize the interconnection between the gathered data. Making data smart necessitate the construction of detailed definition and domain specification that transform data into knowledge rather than intrinsic experience. The shift essential to industry digital transformation where technology is used of innovation, simplification, transformation. There is huge urgent need to put in place systems that provide more insight into the data, help in user realize hidden pattern and trade for better decision making and pricing optimization. Importance. The main scope is to represent aquaculture production process in operation, enhance end user experience, better understand how operations are externally together, they gather insight, enable optimal decision making in the operation towards achieve better fish quality. The adapted method of an aquaculture production process representation should seamlessly allow the capture, store, and reuse of information thematically linked low-level numerical sensor data with high-level domain exper- experience according a knowledge system incrementally structured by building an farming operation. The core component of this achieve is a grapper database. Critical information include fish farming, ascent from transportation equipment, batch pending target, even sensor transforma- transformation, providing insight interconnection between variable either through better data visualization. Result and discussion. Essential result, essential result in this work include a complete anthropology for the aquaculture production data. For the farmer graph database representation of all assets that belong to one of the fish farm has been implemented. The database been implemented. Graph visualization have been applied to new historical data, including historical and ongoing production data, help provide more information and knowledge about the performance of fish farming operation during different production cycle and show how they affect the end product. One main advantage of adopting this framework is that improved single hub interface that allow the end user to visualize heterogeneous data capture or gather from various technologies. These technologies can be sensor that monitor environmental condition, cameras that capture videos and image of the fish, but is also email manually written notes and codes made by people working in the production site. Having a single interface that integrates, for example, sensor data, temperature, oxygen, pressure, and current to observe a single batch for its entire life cycle. Interfective, its location is novel of the fish farming operation in aquaculture industry. Conclusion. The paper process of novel framework as a new approach to visualization aquaculture data that enable end user site managers and fish farmers to learn more about the cause and effect of the decision taking and action stirred during the aquaculture production cycle. The framework is based on database established by conceptual ontology model that define a current knowledge management system from virus source and tools. The ontology of the aquaculture production process define the logical grouping of different concepts to realize better how the virus concepts are sequenced and interrelated. This paper shows how to process the framework can provide a insight, meaning, and correlation between the virus capture data, the input data to system in inherited and include sensor measurement that monitor environmental condition and manual observation provided by aquaculture facility personnel.